Wizard.
Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and if you're watching this video today, this is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a video to me that's really important because it's something that benefits me in my business and what I do, and I think it would probably help a lot of other contractors and people just in general who are watching these in this video. So I just recently got back from a vacation, and when you're on vacation, you're outside of your four walls. When you're outside of your four walls, you see things that are different. You recharge your batteries, you kind of let loose, and you come back with a fresh mindset. And sometimes that's really important. So if you're one of those people who, like I did, I grew up on a farm, which is where we're broadcasting this from. I still have the farm. You're raised to just work, and the corn doesn't stop growing on Sundays, as my father used to tell me. So we get up every day, we have a routine, we go to work, 7:30, 8 o'clock, whatever time you guys start, and then we work until, and we do the same thing over, and it's rinse, repeat, we just keep going on and on. So my point of this is to keep fresh. You really want to see what other contractors are doing. You want to see what other trades are doing, what works well. How do other people's employees work? Are they happy with their employer, and why are they happy? New tools, new techniques, new methods, new ways. These are all the things we learn when we get out, whether you go to a convention or a trade show, whether you just go something with your local chamber of commerce, whether it's classes, whatever it is that you might do. The key is really just get outside of your four walls and recharge your batteries. And that keeps everything fresh. It keeps you fresh, keeps everything fresh, keeps everything moving in the right direction. So the Wizard of Wood, just giving you a little bit of advice. Keep those batteries charged, keep your vision open out there and looking for better ways and methods, and get outside of those four walls that we're in, most every day. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I got the Wizard of Wood from my peers in the industry, and being the Wizard of Wood, I provide education and have been for well over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors across the nation. So thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you are. But if you want more information and you want to become like the Wizard and have the knowledge that the Wizard has had and it teaches in classes, please visit www.wizardofwood.net. You will get our manual, we get our online classes and everything to help you take your career to another level. Thank you for watching the video.